Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art of Investment. Today we are going to speak about the stock which is into manufacturing of enzymes. The name of the stock is Advanced Enzyme Technologies Ltd. Advanced Enzyme Technologies Ltd was incorporated in the year 1989 and it is a research driven company with global leadership in the manufacturing of enzymes. The company committed to provide eco-safe solutions to wide variety of industries like human care and nutrition, animal nutrition, baking, fruit and vegetable processing, brewing and malting, grain processing, protein modification, dairy processing, specialty applications, textile processing, leather processing, paper and pulp processing, biofuels, biomass processing, biocatalysis, etc. The company aims to provide side effect free healthcare and eco-safe industrial solutions to its customers globally, and it is today the largest producers of enzymes in Central Asia. They have 7 manufacturing sites and 7 research and development locations across India, Germany, and USA. Their customer base has spread into more than 45 countries across 6 continents and provides customized and effective enzyme solutions coupled with the best in technical advice and superior services to more than 700 customers. The company is engaged in the research and development, manufacturing and marketing of 400 plus proprietary products developed from over 68 indigenous enzymes and probiotics. This company was listed on the Indian Stock Exchange in the year 2016. In the year 2017, they have acquired a German-based company Enzymes Technologies GmbH, which is also a leading manufacturer of enzymes. Now, let's have a look at the financial aspects. AETL has an equity capital of Rs 22.34 crores supported by the reserves of Rs 721 crores. The promoters hold 57.88% of the equity capital. Mutual fund holds 8.78%, FPIs hold 13.32%, which leaves 20.02 stake with the investment public. The market capital of this stock is 1,707.56 crores. Book value is 28.29, EPS is 4.58, price to book ratio is 5.4, stock PE is trading at 33.38, industrial PE is 17.36, dividend yield is 30%, promoters holding 57.88%, 52-week low is 98.1 rupees and 52-week high is 224.9 rupees. The current market price of this stock is 157 rupees as on 24th May. Now let's have a look at the sales. The sales are consistently showing good growth from last 6 years. In the financial year 15, sales were around 222 crore rupees. That has grown up to rupees 420 crores in the financial year 18-19. In the financial year 19-20, the 9-month sales are around 334 crores. The profit after tax for the financial year 14-15 was 50 crores, which has grown more than double in the financial year 18-19 to rupees 111 crores. For financial year 19-20, the PAT for 9 months is 98 crores and results for the last quarter are yet to be declared. This is definitely a good performance shown by this company. AETL provides proprietary enzymes, products and customized enzyme solutions to various pharmaceuticals and nutraceutical companies in India, North America, Asia, Europe and other countries globally. These products includes various anti-inflammatory solutions, digestion solutions, probiotics, etc., which are used by customers as active ingredients. Probiotics have now become an integral part of several therapies for the digestive disorders, and newer applications for treatments of several other diseases are being developed. Company has developed and upscaled technologies for the production and application of several important probiotics. Company's 73% income comes from this segment and it is highly promising sector in the current scenario. One can buy this stock and hold it for the long term for good returns. So that's all from my side. If you find this video to be be helpful to you, then please hit like buttons, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you viewers, thank you very much.